Welcome back to Decor Insider. If you love outdoor spaces and want to turn your yard into something special, today's video is just for you. We're sharing 20 stunning pergola design ideas that can completely change how your backyard or patio looks and feels. Whether you want something cozy, modern, or perfect for poolside lounging, there's something here for everyone. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ideas like this. Now let's jump in. Traditional prefab vinyl pergolas. If you're looking for something clean, simple, and budget-friendly, prefab vinyl pergolas are a great choice. They usually come in white or light neutral colors, and many models cost less than $3,000. You can find them at places like Lowe's or Home Depot. They're easy to maintain, but not as strong as wood or metal. Perfect for small backyards where you want a touch of elegance without too much upkeep. Modern bohemian pergolas. These pergolas feel relaxed and creative. Made from rustic wood, they often include hanging plants, string lights, and even macrame decorations. They work best in medium to large yards, and they create a laid-back vibe, perfect for relaxing or entertaining friends. Just keep in mind that wood does need regular care, like sealing or staining, to protect it from weather. Poolside lounge pergolas. These pergolas are built close to swimming pools to offer shade and style. Imagine reclining on a poolside chair under a wooden pergola, with climbing plants like wisteria or jasmine hanging above. You can use fiberglass or treated wood for durability around water. They make your pool area look like a resort. Poolside entertainment pergola on a deck. This one's all about hosting. Built on a deck near the pool, it gives you space for dining tables, seating, and outdoor lighting. Wood is a strong, long-lasting option here. Costs more, but it lasts for years and looks beautiful. Perfect for families who love having people over. Porch conversions with pergolas. Want to make your porch feel like part of your living room? Add a pergola. Creates a smooth flow from inside to outside, giving you extra space for coffee, reading, or meals. You can use wood or aluminum. Just choose materials that match your house style. Shaded outdoor rooms. Some pergolas are more like outdoor rooms. You can add curtains or side panels for privacy. Use a mix of wood and metal for a modern, custom look. These spaces are great for outdoor dining, yoga, or just enjoying the fresh air without too much sun. Pergolas with hanging seating. Add a swing chair or hammock to your pergola. It instantly feels playful and cozy. Wood beams work best here, but fiberglass is also good if you want less maintenance. This style is perfect for relaxing afternoons or reading a book in peace. Pergolas with fire pit areas. Want to enjoy your yard in cooler months? Combine your pergola with a fire pit. It's ideal for roasting marshmallows or sitting with family in the evening. Make sure to check local fire safety codes. Use metal or stone bases and keep safe distances from anything flammable. Fireside lounge pergola with fire pit. This version is smaller and more intimate. Think of it like a cozy corner with a few chairs and a warm fire. Use dark wood beams and set it on a stone patio for a stylish touch. Pergolas with flowering vines. Want to bring your garden up and over your head? Grow climbing roses, grapevines, or wisteria over your pergola. This adds color, scent, and beauty. Wood is best because it blends naturally with the plants. But if you want a roof that opens, skip the heavy vines. Cantilever pergolas with shade curtains. These sleek pergolas are attached on one side. They almost float in the air. Add shade curtains to block sun when needed. These are ideal for modern homes. Use aluminum or fiberglass to keep it lightweight and stylish. Small corner pergolas. Got a tiny backyard or patio? Don't worry. A small corner pergola can still give you charm and comfort. Use vinyl or compact wood kits. Add a chair or bench and you've got a private little escape. Freestanding pergolas for privacy. Unlike attached pergolas, these stand on their own, perfect for creating a separate retreat in your yard. You can add screens, curtains, or tall plants for extra privacy. Cedar or aluminum works well and doesn't need much upkeep. Modern Mediterranean pergola with concrete paver patio kitchen. These are bold, structured, and very modern. Concrete pavers form the base, and the pergola shades an outdoor kitchen. Use dark wood or black metal for a Mediterranean vibe. These can cost more, but they're long-lasting and stylish. Paradise pergola with tile patio kitchen. Ipe wood is one of the strongest woods out there. It's great for high-end tile patios with full outdoor cooking setups. Perfect for people who love to cook and entertain outdoors. It's an investment, but one that lasts decades. Multiple outdoor rooms with pergolas. You can use multiple pergolas to divide your yard into zones, like one for eating, one for relaxing, and one for games. Use mixed materials like wood, stone, and metal. Gives your yard structure and a custom designer look. Winterized pergolas with clear polycarbonate. Want to enjoy your pergola all year round? Add clear panels on top to keep out rain and snow. Great for colder areas. Fiberglass or aluminum frames work well, and they can cost up to $20,000 depending on size and materials. Pergolas on decks or balconies. Even if you live in an apartment or have a small deck, you can still enjoy a pergola. Attach a lightweight vinyl or aluminum frame to your balcony for a cozy shade spot. Add plants, small lights, or even a mini bistro set to complete the look. Custom pergolas with mixed materials. Want a one-of-a-kind look? Mix materials like wood, stone, and metal. You can match it to your home's architecture for a high-end, magazine-worthy appearance. These usually require a professional installer, but the result is totally unique. Bainbridge Island Classic Rambler Patio Cover. This is a modern classic, a lightweight aluminum frame with clear acrylic panels on top. It blocks the sun but lets in light, and the powder-coated frame resists rust. Great for medium to large yards and super low maintenance too. That's it, 20 beautiful pergola design ideas to inspire your next backyard project. Whether you want something simple or fully custom, there's a design out there that can turn your space into a stylish outdoor escape. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design ideas every week. Thanks for watching Decor Insider. See you in the next video.